Joint social organization of Karbi Anglong carried out an indefinite strike at Samson Singh Team Memorial Park, demanding for review of third and fourth grade appointment made under Difu Medical College. Protesters are reported to have been arrested here on Monday. Assam Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma visited Difu Medical College and Hospital to make sure that construction be completed within stipulated time frames. And reception committee formed for third annual conference of Karbi Honghari Youth Council yesterday at Chokiola High School. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cut News. You are watching the mainstream at 6. I am Sarimpi. So now the news in details. Joint social organization of Karbi Anglong carried out an indefinite strike at Samson Singh Team Memorial Park here on Monday, demanding for a review of third and fourth grade appointment made under Difu Medical College and Research Institution. The joint organization also demanded for 100 reservation of the post for the candidate belongs to Student Tribe Hills and indigenous people of Karbi Anglong. Earlier, various social organizations asserted that they are not against anyone and do not want to find fault with others, but concern is with the local student tribe people here. Taking the sentiments of the local student tribes candidate, the social and students organizations hold out for grade 3 and grade 4 posts in Difu Medical College and Research Institute should be reserved for the student tribe people.
Alang itu minister ke bang, kalau ni sampai
Later, the organizations could not take up the protest further long as the police administration halted the strike. Furthermore, protesters were arrested by the police and taken them to the custody. Assam Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma visited Difu Medical College and Hospital today to make sure the construction be completed within the stipulated time frames. The Health Minister revealed that inpatient care department facilities will start from 8 December. Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma was accompanied by the Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, Deputy Speaker Ritesh Inghi, and several executive members of the council and MECs were attended the event.
8 তাৰিখৰ পৰা আমি পেচেণ্ট ইয়াতে এডমিট কৰাও আৰম্ভ কৰিম। অৱশ্যে প্ৰথমতে সিৰিয়াছ পেচেণ্টখিনি এডমিট কৰা নহ'ব, কিন্তু হ'লেও 8 তাৰিখে ৰবিবাৰৰ পৰা আমি পেচেণ্ট ইনডোৰ পেচেণ্ট এডমিশ্যনো আৰম্ভ কৰিম।
এই কথা আপুনি 70% কাৰ্বি আংলং ইউথৰ মানে দিব বিচাৰিছে।
আপোনালোকে নিযুক্তিতকৈ কলেজখনক গুৰুত্ব দিয়ক। নিযুক্তিটো হৈ থাকিব, 70তকৈও বেছি ইয়াত নিযুক্তি হৈ আছে, কিন্তু নিযুক্তিৰ কাৰণে মেডিকেল কলেজখন হোৱা নাই, আৰ্তজনৰ সুবিধাৰ কাৰণে হৈছে। চাকৰিত বেছি গুৰুত্ব দিলে কলেজখন বন্ধ হ'ব, দুটাৰ এটা লাগিব নহয়। সেইকাৰণে কলেজ বন্ধ কৰি দিয়ক তেতিয়া। মইতো মেৰিটৰ লগত কম্প্ৰমাইজ কৰিব নোৱাৰোঁ নহয়।
Alright, so let's have a little short break here at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.
Start here, right anywhere. Isan Motors authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelan near Don Bosco School, Difu, 782460 Assam. Easy finance available here. For more information, contact 700-280-5342 and 8812-805591, or you can mail isanmotorsk@gmail.com. Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand, an offer you cannot refuse. Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Welcome back to the Mainstream at 6. Reception committee was formed for the third annual meet of Karbi Honghari Youth Council at Chukihola High School here on Sunday. The formation of the committee was presided by the president of the religious organization, Mr. Amarjit Bey. The program will be organized in collaboration with Hempu Mukranga Dorbar. The 2 days conference will be held at Chukihola High School playground on 10th to 11th of January 2020. Alright, so that's a wrap of this edition at the Mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. We will try to put this on our Facebook page as well, and you will definitely love to hear from us as well. And Monica Milikpi is bringing you the prime time here on Cut News Channel. Do stay with us in Cut News Channel.